Make a great choice today with the 2023 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, FWD. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.